Ki Dr. Hakamit jong kakat pratrik yayong lapan kenriak no yaw chairman ke Green Tech Foundation GTF uba H ban siudor nonglang na civil hospital shlo Sha Woodland Hospital hadien ka jinga ki sha tangan ka balakan jo shipos ni kinti Hindreya ka daw batikna halor ka jingpin kenriak no yau ompat la ban tip tikna kani kalawan long ru hadien baka GTF kalapun skembiang ban petengi ka jinga ki sha tangan baklembu puar ban persyak jori ki projek kam jungok kai hapok dolon nong lumpong deng kata hadin baka koi ki kya jong chairman klanang her arson hadin ba ula beteng ka jing syak tangan ngilong ki bas kem wat haka jing bom don u chairman jongi hangni hamadan malki ngikum ka foundation ngila shime ka rai haka miet ka khat nyo tarik yayong paknang ban penep ya ka ni ka jing syak tangan ngakung secretary general ngelas dang ni ka jing syak tangan baklembu por adu ka ni ka janmien bat haduk menta ka jinga ki syak tangan jonga kelapalat arpu saw kenta ong secretary general uba ritri lingdo habakren shakilat thekubar uba ritri upente banakaliang uchairman ka GTF ubaladon hapo hospital nadu ka sintho ding ulayai beteng ha ka ni ka jinga ki syak tangan wat hapadeng ka jingher arsut haka koi ka kya jongu da ka bapun scam baka jingdawa jong ka GTF kadang yai ne kumjo ula ong ka nongrim ka bangi yeng halor ka ni ka man kadang ne kumjo ngimpat shym la penkela ya ka nongrim ka jongi watang kendiat ru ngidang yai dawa na ka sorkar bakan pendam bat weng no ya ka jingat te kulat halor ki projek kam jungok kai hapok dolon nong lumpong deng uba ritre ula bu jing keliru ya ka nongrim jong ka jing IY ka bahadu en ripos nam ka ba shym ya ka nongrim jong ka sorkar bakam shimla thu ban tei ki no gi jing tei hapo dolon nong lumpong deng ngipun pau sha sha ka sorkar baka no ka sinjam ka no jing thu ka ba phidan ha ka baya dei bat ka ne ka dolon nong ka ni kam de ka jong phi ula ong watla kidan ki khubor ham saya ni khubor nang ni nang tai ba umintri rangba da ladi hi ula ong baka de ka jaka sorkar akwa ban pen kan mawi ki pai ba haba ki brew ki kran shapang ka jaka sorkar kata ka de ka jaka pai ba kajing sumare ka kajing penrai kajing penek pensa ya ka lale na ka plating ka pai ba ka bolong mangi kum ki nong siu khajana kumta ka de ha ka jaka pai ba bat ngiru ngidan ka benta ka bakrau kum ki nong shim benta ha ka no ka jing pen kala ula benrap
Our chairman on today, which is the 10th day of this agitation, his condition has gone down significantly, and even though in treatment right now at the hospital, he is still receiving due care, but then his recovery is still gradual. Even though in the midst of weakness and loss of health, he still remains very, very strong and firm to not break this indefinite hunger strike. Even at this moment, as I'm talking to you, we are very concerned about his health because even up to this moment, there has been no sign of improvement. However, we are very firm and stand is very stringent that even in the absence of our chairman from here in Malki ground, we as the foundation had taken a decision since last night that in order to perpetuate this hunger strike, I as the Secretary General had begun my hunger strike last night at about 6:20 p.m. and up till now my hunger strike has crossed about 24 hours. Our stand on this issue is still the same. We have not even changed our stand a bit. As our petition has been filed, time and again we have been mentioning and been demanding and requesting also the government to immediately remove, scrap and withdraw the agreement by which Lompongdeng Island has been made an ambit of scope in the development of the luxury resort and spa. As of now, there has never been any formal communication after we have received that letter from the Joint Secretary, Government of Meghalaya Tourism Department. In response to that, we have sent our replies, uh, raising the contention that if there is no such construction at Lompongteng Island, then what is the use of the lease agreement that stands for about 60 years? And we have also received last night, we have also received RTIs from the Revenue and Disaster Management, uh, wherein we have learned about the scheme by which how tourism department became the lessors of that land. We make it very clear to the government that whatever step, whatever malicious intent that you have with the island, that does not belong to you. Even though there are rumors or maybe a message from here and there that the chief minister himself has said that it is a government land, I would like to remind the public at large that when people talk about government land, it is public property. Its maintenance, its development, its upkeep is done by the public exchequer, which is us, our pocket as taxpayers. So is very strong on public properties, and we also have a big part as stakeholders in any kind of alteration with such lands.
Understood.
Apart from Green Tech Foundation, we have received the support from the women organization of Ribhoi district, who have, as they have announced, that they will be sitting on a hunger strike with us, although not indefinite, but at an interval of 12 hours. So we would like to thank the women organization of Ribhoi district also for coming in support and standing in solidarity with Green Tech Foundation and also with other various organizations, other bodies, public figures who had come forward, and the beautiful, beautiful residents of Meghalaya who had come forward in solidarity with Green Tech Foundation. We once again would like to request and urge the public to remember us in your prayers, and we will pray to God, since this work we need the intervention of a divine spirit rather than depending on our own intellectual and power.